there probably, so I just don't want to get bitten, that's all.
I like
It's spawning from underneath. No, it couldn't have gone behind there.
Yeah.
No way. It's definitely in a wash machine somewhere. Whoa.
You don't drop that.
No. It would have had to because there'd be nothing else. God, no.
It's a blue-tongue lizard.
It is a blue-tongue lizard,
I
definitely.
saw it too.
Yeah. It's got tiny little legs, snakes
Gone
on their legs.
behind the cupboard, but there's no room for it to go behind the cupboard. That cupboard behind you, will just slide.
No, you can't. I don't think he would have a chance.
Are you going to kill it?
No, I love them.
Here.
No.
I love geckos, but
Yeah.
my mum doesn't like geckos.
I don't know what
You
I
should see it. Right. Come out. Oops. Now.
Still not.
I could hear something.
Yeah, we need to take
What's
off.
the left? Are you kidding me?
No.
Alright. Because you can't see beyond there, obviously.
No.
You couldn't climb into the rim to close that, could you?
Okay, no, let's open it up and have a look. No, I couldn't get in there. No.
They crawl through the side, you know, lock up your neighbour.
It is?
The camera?
Oh, he's there. He's there. Behind the cupboard.
Oh, the big bad blue-tongue lizard. Come here, you little bugger.
Oh no! Oh no!
He's got it!
Get him away.
Where was he?
He's got him. Look, he's
Behind.
The cupboard.
Ah.
That cupboard. White
Chuck up
cupboard.
the balls away from the wall. Yeah. So that's him. Do you want to have a hold of him?
No, please, no,
I'll
please.
bite, you've got to be kidding me. No way.
No, they bite.
Look, this guy's not that bad, really. I can't even make him bite. Look, he's licking me. He doesn't
You're
even want
taking
to
a
bite
shoulder.
me. Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't even want to bite you. You've got to be kidding me.
Who's going to be brave enough to hold it?
Oh
No
no.
way.
Someone? You? Yeah. Somebody's going to be brave enough to hold it. You're brave enough to hold it, aren't you? Come on. Give it a go. Come on,
Yeah.
mate. Come on.
Ah.
You're going to be on YouTube now, so no. Be brave.
Don't drop it. Don't
You
drop
hold
it,
him
boss.
like that. You hold him like that. So you just don't squeeze him or anything.
Don't squeeze him
One
and don't
hand
drop
there,
him.
one
Don't
hand
drop
there.
him, whatever you do.
Okay. Now people, be firm. Be
Be
firm.
firm, hold him properly. So there you go.
He holds it. He holds it
Oh
down.
my god, thank you very much.
Well, I didn't know what to expect, you see.
Okay, you hold it. You
Are
have to
they
set, you have to
usually
set a
in
voice. That's
gardens
it.
or not?
Beautiful. Look at that.
Don't bring it
Is
here.
that the first time you've ever held a lizard?
Bluetongue, I held one until one bit me. That's
Oh, right, okay.
It bit me, you know, when you're, but I'm kidding. It lost me.
No, this one doesn't even want to bite. Yeah, I was like, yeah.
You can have it.
You know, I've got to find a home for him now.
Oh,
He won't get attacked by the dog.
I think somebody.
I was just a 6
Put him
years
somewhere
old.
safe.
I was just 6.
You're 6? Jeez, you're big for 6.